So, doon po tayo, attorney. Bakit po ba kailangan iboto si Pastor Kibuloy?
I always say, no, you will know the flock, di ba, by the shepherd. I always say that, you will know the sheep by the shepherd. Tuwing nakikilala ko kayo, lahat po ng mga taga-KOJC, I'm always overwhelmed sa inyong kindness. And naniniwala ako that a good leader, hindi politiko leader, can transform people. No? Alam mo, maraming kinakarap si Pastor, he's used to the persecution. Pero yung ganung klaseng strength ng will to serve, kahit binabatikos, kahit kinakasuhan, it's always inspiring. And that's what we need in leadership. Hindi pwedeng hindi sanay sa batikos. So I really hope God appoints him for this his next challenge in this world. Sana po suportahan natin si Pastor Kibuloy.
Okay. Thank you, attorney.